Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to apply fake nails. I bought these nails from Dollarama for $2. If you want to know the right way to apply fake nails, please watch full video. In this box there are 12 nails, so I can choose the ones that fit my size. There is also glue provided for applying the nails. First, as you can see, my nails have grown a bit. I need to cut them. The fake nails I am applying are not very long, so I need to cut my nails to make sure they can be covered completely. So don't need to shape your nails, just cut them nicely. Next, I am using a tool to push my cuticles back. Some of my cuticles cover my nails, so I need to push them back carefully. Don't push too hard. This step is important because I want to place the fake nails under my cuticles to make them look more professional. After pushing back the cuticles, I will remove any excess cuticles that are on the skin. Sometimes these cuticles can get stuck on things and cause pain, so it's good to remove them. So guys, as you can see, one side of the fake nail is flat and the other side is round. So the round side goes under the cuticle. I will apply the nail glue on the fake nail and then place the fake nails on my nails. Pushing it a little bit under the cuticle, hold it in place for 2 to 3 minutes to let the glue dry. These are the steps you need to follow to apply fake nails. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you.